Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, December 9th. You know what we do at my house on Fridays? We plant. Now I found a couple little cabbages and bok choys that were in containers that need to be put to bed here in the garden. So let's go ahead and get those put in. We do have a little blank spot we could go ahead and fill. We do have a couple little cabbages. We'll go ahead and get these in. And we'll see what we get. I'm glad I didn't get these planted when we planted the rest of them, otherwise they would have got eaten too. Don't cover up the beets. Hey buddy, you gonna come help me? There's got plenty of good roots there. Snug that down. And we got plenty of good roots there too. And that's all there is to it, isn't it, buddy? Yes. You came out and helped me plant some cabbage. You can do this too. All it takes is a little pre-planting. Gotta love the winter garden. And I'll tell you what, those beets and carrots last night were pretty tasty. That lemon, that just about took me to the ground. I don't do sour very well. Hot, yes. Sour, not so much. There's 5 cabbages in the ground. We'll see what we get. It's forecast to rain tonight. We're gonna be putting some more mulch out here on the garden tomorrow. Hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Let's go to the house. Good boy. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.